just like that, fall is over. All the colors are gone. But in its place, we have snow. Not a ton, but snow, and the ground is muddy, and this is probably the worst idea I have. I'm gonna take my bike up there. There's a road, and it's probably super muddy and gross. But here we go. The first road I started on wasn't muddy at all, so I had high hopes. But this is pretty bad. So I think I'm gonna abandon my original ride. I'm gonna go back to the road that wasn't gross. Whew. And see how far I can make it, because I know the road's not super long that direction. But that's what I need to do. My wheels are just splinging stuff all over me. I've got stuff in my shoes now because it's just flinging it. Well, it's mostly done flinging now, but gross. There's a boat down there, like a couple canoes or something. This smells so bad, like dead fish. There's a boat ramp over there. There's a boat. There's a pedal boat and another boat. Look at that green grass. I've been hit in the face, the glasses. I can see it somewhere around here. Anyway, I don't really know where I'm going. I'm just following whatever road looks good. And it's bringing me around the lake. I don't know how much further it's gonna go. I really haven't gone that far yet. Only 2 miles. Well, the dog's going in. It's gotta be freezing. I think I just heard a car crash. Heard this boom and then screaming. So this is where I'm heading. It's looking pretty muddy back here. Ugh. Oh, it's slippery. I think I'm gonna go. Oh, this is probably someone's private property. I don't know. There's some very nice homes back in here. Lots of cabins in a beautiful setting. But I do believe that this is a summer community. So I don't think you can stay up here in the winter. Look at this. It's a dead pine tree, and it's got several baby pine trees growing out of it. That's so cool. I've never seen that before. So these guys have a big old snowcat. They can come up here in the winter with that. It's one of the biggest ones I've seen. I worked the food truck for the lunch shift today, and there was a guy in a food truck parked next to us, and he'd been down to Arizona, did his food truck for a couple winters, and he was telling us we should do it. I was telling my husband a couple months ago that we should do it. It's that blob, that dark blob. I think it's a bald eagle. Look at the white head. I have to go over there. So I have to see if I can find a way over. Oh, it flew away. I think it is a bald eagle. Can't tell. It has a fish. Ah, I can't see it now. That was really cool. Poor little fish though. I totally missed it on the camera of it diving down. I was watching it with my eyes and not my phone. That is the second time I've heard a metal sound. Like metal hitting metal. And I looked, and all of my spooks are still there. I don't know. If maybe something is flinging up and hitting the disc, the brake, or what. But I don't like that. This road is really nice and smooth, and for some reason not muddy, whereas the other one, Skyline Drive, there's a section that I've never done, and oh, I just heard the metal sound again. I just don't like it. Anyway, that's the section that I had to turn around on because it was just too muddy. Oh, I just heard it again. I don't like this at all. I don't like not knowing what's wrong with my bike. Sun's gone down. Well, not down, but it's low. Well, that's it for this ride. I'll see you next time. And until then, get outside, get a little muddy.